Want to sing easier and with more power? Well, in this video, I'm going to share a quick tip on how to do this. Stay tuned. So welcome back to Singing Simply, where the goal is to give you actionable yet simple advice. There's loads of information out there, and my goal is to break that down into something that you can actually use. So if this helps, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and comment below which section you liked. Now, if you're singing and things feel kind of effortful, feels hard to do, one thing we can do to improve and make this easier is by using twang. Now, some people call it pharyngeal resonance. All this really simply means is adding a brighter ping to your sound. Now, why should we even add twang to our voice? So essentially, what twang does primarily is increase vocal efficiency by simply amplifying the higher frequencies. So if that doesn't make any sense, don't worry about it. What this means is you get more power and more volume with less effort. And the second thing that twang also does, it helps keep your chord together so that when you go up and sing higher, you don't flip like this. So by combining these two benefits, what this essentially means is we can sing with more power and we can sing higher with less effort. Now, isn't that good? So how do we even practice this? One thing I like doing is singing things on an E, because E are naturally more bright, but they also retain some of the warmth of an U. Now, I can get into that another day, but just keep in mind, E's are naturally bright. And so what this does for our voice is it adds a bit of brightness. And one thing I like to couple it with is a consonant. So what I tend to do is if I am too breathy, I can add a G to the front, so G, 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 and that adds a bit more compression. Or if I start compressing too hard, I would add a V, 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 to bring back some of the airflow. So here's a demonstration, and feel free to sing along. G, So after doing this exercise, what did you notice? How did it feel in your throat? How did it feel across the rest of your body? Where did you notice the sound buzzing? So these are all very important things you should be noticing, because the more that we notice about our body, the more we can replicate things and start practicing things to perfection. And so to summarize, what we talked about today is adding a bit of twang to your voice to make it far more vocally efficient and to keep those vocal cords together. And a great way that we did this was by singing things through an E, and by adding a consonant G or adding V, depending on the airflow or how tight it feels. So what I want you to do is stay on the E, keep practicing, stretch it as high as you can and as low as you can, and once you get comfortable, start incorporating that feeling to other vowels. So when you sing, for example, an R, you want to keep it very similar in terms of sensation. So that wraps up twang for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and just let me know what I should be posting up next for you guys. See you guys next time.